Okay, so I'm going to sneak up on, there's a pair of trumpeter swans over here. I'm going to try to be as quiet and soft walking as I possibly can so I don't spook them. But this is going to be a treat to all you people out there watching my videos. I'm going to come over here to the bridge and very carefully peek up over the top, and it's a male and a female trumpeter swan. I got a truck coming, so I'm going to stay off the bridge right now until he goes by. So I'm just going to kind of hang out here for a second until, oh, he's turning. Okay, good. Okay, so he turned and headed towards Fertile. I'm going to have to be quiet now, so I'm going to try to get the shot for you. I'm getting closer to the edge. So here's the trumpeter swans I was talking about. Aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely. Now they've spotted me, so now they're swimming down as fast as they can. They think that I'm a threat, which the Lord knows that I'm not. I just want a beautiful shot of two trumpeters that are actively feeding today. This is a pair. Now the goal is to see 100 more of them yet today.